This is the Ultimea Aura A60 7.1 soundbar with Dolby Atmos. Let's take it out of the box and see what's inside. And if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you subscribe so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Inside the box, you get a user manual, a placement layout guide, 4 surround speakers, mounting brackets and mounting hardware in case you need to mount them to a wall, 2 power adapters, one for the soundbar and the other for the surround speakers, an HDMI cable, an optical cable, cables for the surround speakers, a remote control, the soundbar, and finally the subwoofer. So let's start off with the surround speakers. You have a total of 4, 2 for the front and 2 for the rear. These are 2-inch speakers and pack a good amount of sound. The front 2 connect to the soundbar, while the back 2 connect to a separate power supply and wirelessly receive signal for sound. This way you don't have wires running from your soundbar all the way to the back of the room. Looking at the soundbar, it also has 3 built-in 2-inch speakers. On top, it has touch capacitive keys to be able to power it on by hand, as well as turn on and off the Bluetooth, increase and decrease the volume, and so forth. For connections, on the back there's an HDMI port, an optical port, a USB-A port, an auxiliary port, as well as the connections for the surround speakers, the subwoofer, and the power jack. You also have Bluetooth 5.3. Moving on to the subwoofer. This subwoofer has a 4-inch woofer and definitely provides deep bass so you can feel the music as well as experience the rumble when it comes to movies. It's a solid subwoofer and doesn't crackle or have annoying distortions. The overall size of the subwoofer is 140 by 195 by 220 millimeters. You can use this system with your TV, connected to your smartphone, or even with your computer or laptop. With a peak power of 350 watts, it'll take your sound experience to another level. Standard TV speakers just don't cut it. With a sound system like this, you'll actually feel like you're in the action and not miss a thing. Now with the Ultimea app, you can easily connect to the surround sound system and make many adjustments to better suit your needs. There are 6 adjustable surround level presets you can choose from: movie, music, voice, sport, game, or night. You can customize the 10-band equalizer settings to your preferred setting, and there are also 121 preset EQ matrices. In style, there are 4 you can choose from: bass, rock, pop, or classical. You can decide whether you want more bass or whether you want more of a rock style sound by selecting a dot which is closer to that style you prefer. Even if you don't use the app, you can make these changes with the remote control. It has a clear layout, and your sound experience can be enhanced or modified with just a click of a button. The overall size, weight, and quality of the system makes it an ideal choice for a home entertainment system. It's currently priced at under $210 US. I'll place links in the description for anyone who may be interested in picking up one of these, and I'll see you in the next video.